Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. I want to make this a separate video, so I want to address one thing that we did talk about in the last video on the ML. Pretty much the fuel gauge isn't like responding, isn't working, and I did some research and I actually found out this is a common issue with the ML 2001 2003. Mercedes knew about this and it's actually an easy fix, and so I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys in case you run into this problem. You can watch this video and try and fix it yourself. But it's pretty much a fuse in the passenger foot section. Pretty much all you have to do is reset that fuse and the fuel gauge should start working. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna tackle it. Pretty much all you have to do is remove the fuse and just plug it back in. But once you remove the fuse, just double check the fuse isn't blown. If it's blown, then go ahead and replace it. But if it's not blown, just take it out and then stick it back in and put the key in second position, and you should see the gauge, the fuel gauge actually move if you do have fuel in the car. So right when you get into the passenger section, you should see this flathead cover thing. So pretty much just go ahead and open it up like that, and this should actually come off. Okay, so you just pull it out. There's a cool diagram here which tells you exactly what fuse you would need. Let me look and see exactly what the fuse is. Okay, so it's definitely going to be the where is it at? Instrument cluster / air conditioning, which is 15A. It should look like a blue. Let me see if I can get some light here for you guys. The blue fuse is gonna be in that red pocket right there. Okay, my fuse is still good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. If you see it's not good, that bridge will be broken. So I'm gonna plug it back in here and check for the fuel gauge. Okay, let's see if this works here. Second position. Yes, it's working. Okay, so that's awesome. So I did still have quite a bit of fuel to make it back all the way. Just a little bit below half, almost to a quarter. So guys, that solved the issue here. I'm glad that was an easy fix, because man, I didn't know, the fuel gauge didn't work. The owner didn't know as well. So if you guys are having this problem, just go ahead and check that fuse and put it back in, and your fuel gauge should start working. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're liking the ML content, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe as well, just to keep up with future videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.